Hi guys, Raj here. Welcome back to my channel Cubeholic Cuber. Today we will solve the 3x3 Puppet V1 cube with the first stage. So let's start. So guys, let's begin with step 1. For the notations I have prepared different video and its link is in the description box. Do visit it guys. And now when we scramble the cube, it forms various varieties of shapes, and every shape has a different way to solve it. So we can't remember all the shapes, so we have reduced it to 5 shapes and their mirror images. So basically there are 3 shapes when we form a square at the base, excluding this one piece cause it is a center, and in most of the cases we need it at the top. So we form a square with white corners, green corners or orange corners. We form a shape of square and make the above 4 pieces to be a flat. As here we can see all the 4 pieces are in flat shape in one layer. So they have 3 conditions when we have bottom as a square and top in 3 known conditions in which all of them are flat. The 3 conditions are: first is the gun shape. It looks like a gun with the top left piece correctly connected with the bottom. And to solve this we have the algorithm R prime U R U, and then we have its mirror image like the mirror gun. In this we have our top right edge, top right corner connected with the bottom square. And so the algorithm to solve this one is L U prime L prime U prime. This was the first known condition. Second familiar condition is the Z. It looks like bottom is a square and we have a Z at the top. So to solve this we have the algorithm, and remember in this Z we have the top 2 corners connected properly and the bottom 2 corners are to be oriented. So the shape comes to be solved by the algorithm I prime to U R U, and then we have its mirror condition. Mirror Z, and we solve it by L to U L prime U prime. Then the third condition is a straight line or a Y condition. It will look like this. We have one complete corner, then our center corner in center, and one half corner because it will show an edge when solved here in a straight line with the bottom corner matched with the bottom. And to solve this we have the algorithm I prime U prime R, and then comes its mirror image which looks like this: left bottom connected with the bottom. And to solve this we have the algorithm L U L prime. These were the 3 conditions and their mirror images when we have bottom square. But there are two more conditions in which we lose our bottom square, but we have a very familiar condition above. First is this condition. It seems like a gun condition, but to the change we have a plus sign between made by the image edges and center. So you have a green center in between. We have a green center and a plus sign making it a different way to solve, and so we have a inverted L or straight L here. From when seen by above, we have a straight L, and when we rotate the cube, then we see a inverted L. And so for solving this, we have the algorithm R prime U prime R U, and then comes its mirror image, and it is mirror image which looks like this. Here also we have a plus sign, white center here, and four edges making the plus and a gun shape. And so solving this, we need algorithm L U L prime U prime. This was the first condition where we didn't have a square at the bottom, and the second condition comes to be like this. In this also we have a plus sign, and so when rotated the cube in y-axis, we see a straight L, and when seen from a view, we see a inverted L. So for solving this, we have algorithm R U R prime 2U, and so next will be its mirror image, which looks like this. It also has a plus sign on its top. It has the center corner below, and its shape cannot be named. So the algorithm comes to solve this L prime U prime L to U. These were the 5 basic conditions and their mirror images. And while solving the cube, that is bringing the cube from different shape to its main square shape or cube shape, we remember these 5 conditions and the algorithms to solve them and their mirror images. So let's start. So guys, this is our scrambled cube, and as you can see, the shape of the cube is very much undefined. We cannot define the shape properly. So we try to make a square base with, you can see these two corners are merged, and so we will try to bring this corner to their level. And okay, so we made a square base, but as we can see, the corners on the top are not all on the same level. One corner is raised above the other, so we remove one of the corners in this base with and replace it one of the corners of the above, so that we can change the orientation of this corner. So let's try to bring the same corner to the base, and okay, so we have made another base, square base, but also we have one corner erased again. So keep trying, we need to make a base, and done. So we have a familiar condition which was our condition 2, the Z, and once we have a familiar condition, we do its algorithm. And so for the Z, algorithm was R prime to OK. So here the problem is we have the center not correctly matched with the Z. So we rotate the Z, top to matched again, and then we do the algorithm. Algorithm comes to be R prime to U, R and U. And so we have completed our step 1, that is making the cube out of a different shape. Thank you guys. For the next steps, I have uploaded different videos and their link is in the description box. Do visit it guys. Thank you. So guys, in this video we have completed the stage 1 of 3x3 puppet cube V1 by bringing the cube in a back 2x2 form. So if you enjoy the video, do like it, share with your cubeholic friends and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Thank you.